here's how to scrape the followers of any content creator without any coding knowledge. We will use the TikTok Scraper extension from Nifty Codes. Now, to do this, first press on the extension. Then press Extract Followers or Following. As you can see, we extracted the followers in this list. To extract more, simply scroll down. And the more you scroll down, the more you will extract. Once you're satisfied, press Add to Export List. Alternatively, you can press the Auto function, which will auto-scroll for you and add the data to the list. Once you're done, press Stop. Now, to export this, press Export Data. You can export it in many different ways. I will export it as CSV. After exporting, here is all the information we extracted. But what if you want to customize the data? That's very simple. First, go back to the extension. Make sure this pop-up is open. Then, press on the extension again. Now press Customize Fields. For example, you can remove some data. You can also change the order of the data. And finally, you can also change the name. Once you're done, press Save. Then press Export. And there you go. Here is our new customized data.